I care more about her than I care about me.
Merle, you down here? Merle.
Hey, little brother.
What the hell?
I was just about to haul back at you.
What you doing down here?
Yeah, just looking for a little crystal, man. Yeah, I know. I shouldn't mess my life up when everything's going so sweet, right?
You talked to Rick yet?
Yeah, oh yeah. I'm in. But he ain't got the stomach for it. He's gonna buckle, you know that, right?
Yeah. If he does, he does.
You want him to?
Whatever he says goes.
Man. Do you even possess a pair of balls, little brother? Are they even attached? I mean, if they are, they belong to you. You used to call people like that sheep. What happened to you?
What happened? With you and Glenn? And Maggie?
I've done worse. You need to grow up. Things are different now. Y'all people look at me like I'm the devil. Grabbing up those lovebirds like that, huh? Now y'all want to do the same damn thing I did. Snatch someone up and deliver them to the governor. Just like me. Yeah. People do what they gotta do, or they die.
You can't do things without people anymore, man.
Maybe these people need somebody like me around, huh? Do their dirty work. The bad guy. Yeah, maybe that's how it is, huh? How'd that hit you?
I just want my brother back.
Get out of here, man.
Thou shalt not